from anywhere you're watching me around the world. And I'm happy to be here. And it's so good to be here with you once again to have a wonderful chat with you guys. And you have a family. Yeah, the background. I'm sitting on my bed, so you can see my background. So you're all welcome, and I'm happy to have everyone here on this live stream. It's so good, and sometimes we have we're happy to be here with everybody laughing and then just with your subscribers. And I believe that's the reason why YouTube has created this time for us to have a one-on-one conversation with our subscribers, with our viewers, and then everybody. You know, sometimes you have viewers, but you don't have you have subscribers, but you have viewers, but they're not your subscribers. So sometimes it's better to have one-on-one conversation and like this live stream where we are here, where we're going to be talking to each other, and as many as will come and stay with me here, I'll be glad to be here then have a chat with you. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'm not always coming here to tell you guys about a lot of challenges, what somebody is doing and what's not doing. But at times, things feel so hard and tough, all right? And at times when you want to do things and things don't go the way you want, and so many times there's nothing we can do about it. Sometimes we just have to wait and then sit and then look at it and then see how we can find our way out of the situation. And sometimes it's easy to come out of the situation, sometimes it's not easy because you need to face different um, challenges, ways, and sometimes when you look at the outside of what you are going through and then you are trying to cross the other side, it's not always easy to just cross to the other side because when you look at it the other side you see a lot of things that are there that you need to do before you get there, or when you get there you need to face so many things. And sometimes it's not like, okay, let's give up because we're not getting there, so what are we going to do? Are we just going to give up or we just keep pushing? And to me, for me as a person, I keep pushing because I know that tomorrow will be better than yesterday. And that is the hope I always have in my mind. And I always know that tomorrow is better than yesterday because when you know that tomorrow is better than yesterday, you intend to be strong and be more focused. Yeah. But when you look at yesterday to be better than tomorrow, that's where you lose focus. And to me as a person, I see tomorrow better than yesterday because yesterday make you to be stronger so that you can be able to face your tomorrow. And whether your yesterday was good, your yesterday was bad, or your yesterday was great, your yesterday was lovely, your yesterday was awesome. Hello, um, Jasmine. So whether your yesterday was awesome, great, wonderful, but all you need to do is that just get ready to move forward. And when you get ready to move forward, keep pushing, keep going, and then somehow, you just find result at the end of the day. But imagine when you give up. And see, when some of us started this YouTube of the thing, that there was a big challenge for us to get through because so many things were going on. And sometimes you make videos, no result, and then you feel like, oh, let me just give up. But we did not stop. So I don't know what you are, what you're doing, wherever you are, and what is happening around your world. And when we say we give up, it's not the time to give up. It's the time for us to say push up more. I have 8 people, great, wonderful, lovely, 8 people watching me right now. I really appreciate you, Jasmine. You're welcome. Let me know where you're watching me from, and then I'll say hi and then greet you. If I know your language, your country language, then I can greet you. So we keep pushing. So, and like say most of the time, this is a challenge you have. Like now I'm streaming, and when I want to stream, then my my internet will start giving me stress. So, is it better for me to just say, okay, I will not stream again because my internet is giving me stress? No, I have to stream because I need to talk to somebody. Because I have this channel, a lot of people on this channel, about 8,000 subscribers, more than 8,000 subscribers are here, and then I'm not here to even talk to them, give them feedback because sometimes I don't post because of some certain issues um, that we're currently battling with now. So at least just come here and see somebody talk, and you know that, oh, this channel is still alive, and the channel is still alive. We are still streaming, we are still here, and we are hoping to do wonderful, good project. And just a matter of time, everything will be fine. I will put everything in shape, and all of you will enjoy our great, our great service. Or can I call it service? All of you will enjoy what we do here, and they enjoy our movies. And I appreciate everybody that always take time to come to this channel. So even if you are new, you're welcome. If you are not new, you are still welcome. Whatever you are, whatever you do, you're all welcome. And I'm so super excited to have you here on my live streaming, because I it's not easy for people to come sit to watch you. And right now I have 4 amazing people watching me, and sometimes I really wish to be doing this streaming of a thing like more often, to people to understand and then follow my life journey. And because me as a person, I love filmmaking. I love filmmaking a lot. So, and to me, I wish I'm somewhere in, in the village or somewhere, producing my film. But at this point in time, life has brought me to this point. So sometimes when life brought it to a certain point, you don't need to rush out of that. And there's something God wants you to learn in that particular time, because sometimes life brings us to where we don't want to be, or sometimes life will bring you where you want to be. And when life brings you where you don't want to be, it's just for you to endure and learn some few lessons before you make progress. Me as a person, when life comes to me at this particular, I'll just give life a chance and then look at life in different perspective. What life is, what is the meaning of life, what is life trying to teach me, what am I going to learn at this particular time. So those are the things I always ask myself and always try to, you know, get myself to understand the true meaning of life. And when I do that, it makes me feel better. And when I'm doing that when I'm passing through a lot of things, I say, okay, let me just keep pushing, just keep hitting it, then I will get to the end point. And you are there at the other side of the screen watching me while I'm here talking. And this, your story, this may not be what you want to hear, or this may not be what you feel like listening to right now. But I think you should just give it just a few minutes, and then maybe you will understand one or two things that follows in this life. So if you are here, it would be nice to just, if you can introduce yourself. Yeah. If you write something in the comment section, definitely I must see you and then call you by your name. Yeah. And if you tell me where you're watching me from, I will sit down and say, okay, this person is watching me from so, and I'll give a shout out to you. That's gonna be big. If I give a shout out to you, it's gonna be big. She shout out to those five people watching me from here, from there. She shout out to those five people watching me from here. Yeah, I can see my video is clear. Yeah, I can see my video is clear. The video is clear, yes. I can see my other phone. The video is clear. The video is clear, yes. I know YouTube will like this. The video is clear. It's clear. This is what you find so hard to get from other streaming platform, and we want to get this kind of stuffs. It's really this thing has gotten to 2,000. Oh, that's great. 15,000. Aromai, Aromai. Kanan, Kanan. Kanan, how are you? Kanan Ragopati. Ragopati? Rugpati. Kanan Rugpati, how are you? How you doing? Where are you watching me from? Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Yeah, my day today. Let's see, how did my day go? Okay, when I wake up in the morning, they woke me up early in the morning and to take children to school, and then after that, and then I took my bath. Then from there, I went to the mechanic. Most of my day today in the mechanic. When I was hungry, so my friend just took me to where we need to eat something. Got there, we're looking at this food and trying to understand what this food look like. So looking at the food was not looking so attractive that it should. So we just said, okay, let's just eat it. Just rice and beans and meat. So we started eating the food, and I was looking for hot food because me personally, I don't like cold food. So I was looking for hot food. But the one that was selling, she said, this food is a bit warm. I told her, Madam, I don't want to eat warm food. I want to eat hot food. But she said, okay, I should eat. So I said, my friend, they dish his own first, and then they dish my own too. And when I started eating, the rice was good. Yeah, she really knows how to cook, and to me, I really enjoyed myself. I cannot lie. I enjoyed myself for real. So sometimes, like I said, do not judge book by the cover. So sometimes we look at something, we don't check, then we just give a conclusion that this thing is like this, it's like that. So it's for us to have a better understanding of what it is, you know. So for us to have a better understanding of what it is, and then make good use of it. Wow, I love this picture. Guys, how do you see the picture? Is it, how is it? I can just relax like this while I'm there smiling, and then Yeah. So everybody will be looking at me and I'll be looking at you. I love my picture. I love this. I love the way YouTube has so many things. But that's that mattress there. Mattress up there is showing at the background. It's crazy. But for real, man, I love this picture with my beautiful smile. Yeah, you may say I'm ugly, but I have a beautiful smile. So let's go back to the story. So we finished eating, then I paid for the food. Oh, not me. I wasn't the one that paid for the food because I was not having money. It was my friend that paid for the food. And then after that, we left. And the food, I really enjoyed the food. And just imagine the food was hot, not warm. I would have enjoyed it more. But for real, the food was sweet. I really enjoyed it. Yeah, yeah, guys, we have 10 amazing people watching me here. Let's know where you're watching me from. Write something in the comment section so that I can mention your name. I can give a shout out to you and let me know where you're watching me from. Oh, drop to 5. Yeah, that's it's normal with streaming. Sometimes you have large number of people watching you. Then sometimes they go down, they go up, go down, go up, go up. That's how it normally happens when you are streaming. So streaming is part of where to know who is who and who is here. And me, I'm here for everybody. The truth about streaming is that when you are streaming and you see people watching you plenty, it gives you morale, it gingers you more. But when you're streaming and you have a few people who are watching you, and sometimes even if they're watching you, even if you have two people watching you, and then you guys are communicating, yeah. When you have a communication with these two people watching you, it makes you feel better, and then you flow more. But when you are just there talking alone, and then they're listening to you, and nobody is saying anything in the comment section, well, sometimes it may be like I'm not saying something that makes sense to them, so they decided to just keep quiet and not to even say a word, and it's normal, right? And if you know that what this person is saying is something that can just um say something, and then but at least when somebody say, okay, say hi, let me know you're watching me from so that I can say hi to you. But when you say hi in general, but when I say I want to give a out, shout out to everybody who is watching me right now. And you're wonderful, you're welcome. Great people, wonderful people watching me. Please, if you're here that you have not subscribed to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe and watch our other videos. Yeah. I know some of my live streaming would not be what you want, but I'm hoping to improve on my live stream so that everybody will enjoy what I do here. What do you think? Imagine me sleeping, I'll be streaming. Yeah, I'll put this camera there and then go to bed and be streaming while I'm sleeping. How is it gonna be? Will people watch it? Huh? Yeah, if you're there in the comment section, you can ask anything. Go Beast. Go Beast. Hello, how are you? Go Beast, how you doing? Where you watching me from? You're welcome to my live stream. Is this your first time? So YouTube, um, oh, I am he Hillary. Oh, Hillary, my friend from Kenya. Yeah, how you doing, my brother? I subscribe to your YouTube. Yeah, and I was busy, so I. Yes, it's your first time. Welcome, 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 welcome. Go Ghost, go Beast. Welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for joining. How you doing? Where you streaming from? Where you watching us from? And I'm looking forward to have um, a collaboration streaming with so many people around the world. And if you are here and you're interested in having these live streaming together, where we'll come together as creators and talk about our challenges, and then maybe sometimes I host, sometimes you host, sometimes the other person host. Um, you're welcome, Go Beast. Welcome, Go Beast. Where you streaming from? So if the other person hosts, then it would be nice. Let's get to grow ourselves, and that's how it's supposed to be. And it's challenging because I have a lot of YouTubers here in Nigeria, but the part of Nigeria where I live, they're not much, and not most of them that do those live streaming. So I'm just looking for people who want to do a collaboration with me. Let's stream and then talk about YouTube. You talk about my channel, I talk about your channel. We could discuss a lot. So anybody that is here watching me, and if you want to have that collaboration, let me just know. All right, you can just chat me here, and then can I write a comment here? I don't think so. But if you need my number, I will I will I will give you my number. I'm Hillary. If you are still watching me, let me know in the comment section. And if you want to do this kind of collaboration live streaming together, let's discuss more about YouTube and what we face and how we get better in our live streaming, and then let's do it. So um, I don't know whether you have Rose's number. Rose can give you my number, or I myself I can give you my number. I don't know if I can be able to write. It's been long I used this. Okay, let me try. Filter, blah blah blah. I don't know. Okay, let's see. Plus. Mm. So I'm going to write my number in the question. So anybody that wants to have a collaboration with me will just chat me up. 070 So guys, if yeah, hmm. Where is it? I wrote so okay. So if you want to have a do a collaboration with me, and that's my number up there, you can chat me, and then we'll plan. We can even do a banner on how to go about the live streaming, and what we need to discuss, and how to progress. Because sometimes it's so challenging when you are streaming and then you are not having that kind of engagement, and people are not coming to watch your videos. It's not like you don't have a good content. We have a wonderful, great content that we have on our various YouTube platform, and sometimes people don't discover us. And who knows, my viewers, they will be interested in your content. Who knows, your viewers just mix and then have a good one, a beautiful discussion. All right. So if you want to do a collaboration with me, like live streaming collaboration, even a video, even if you're there, we can still do video. While I'm here in Nigeria, we can still do video, because let's do that to help ourselves, and then so that we can grow, you know. Because there's some experience you have, I don't have. There's some experience I have, you don't have. So if we have a common understanding, and then how we can share our experiences here on this platform, it's gonna be great. All right. I always encourage everybody who is into YouTube or any other platform, whatever you're doing, and never to give up, because um, sometimes you just start like a dream before you. Sometimes it's just start like a dream, and then before you know, you you are there. You know. So I'm so much happy to collaborate with everybody who is ready to do a collaboration with me. Please, my number is there. If you want to get it, that's my number. All right. And then I know I've given my number to my brother from Kenya. Yeah, it's just for a collaboration to other people. So we'll make our live streaming. Sometimes, if I'm streaming this time, yeah, next time it will be you. Yeah, discuss so many things. We stream together and we talk about whatever you want to talk about in your channel, and how and where to go to get more views. So it's very simple. And because sometimes when you stream, if I stream with you, if I'm the one that invite you, I believe the stream is going to be on my stream. It's not going to. Yeah, I think so. Yeah. So all right. So WhatsApp me. Let's talk, bro. Let's talk more and see. And the other guy was there. The other guy that was there yesterday. What's his name? The real something Kenya. Yeah. Like me, I always feel like someday I will come to Kenya and then have a nice time in Kenya, see beautiful things that you have in your beautiful country, and go to the Maasai tribe. Yeah, that's where they will jump, you know. I'm looking forward to do that. It's because of can I call it challenges, because like before, what I wanted to do. uh, Yeah, Ray TBT Kenya. Yeah, Ray TBT Kenya. So if you have his contact, you can as well share the idea to him, and then it will be nice. Let's just imagine four creators, just come together to to stream. It will be a wonderful thing when you see, yeah, four creators come together streaming, or five talking about YouTube. That's a big collaboration. And if you know other friends from other countries, other part of the world, who would like to do the same thing, yes, let's do it. Because me, I used to do videos like vlog and stuff like that, but now I changed into movie production. And when I changed into movie production, I had a lot of challenges, and then I have to, you know, go down slow before I hit the road again. So while I'm waiting for funds to come so that I'll continue my production, then at least I can do live streaming. So live streaming here is simple. Yeah, very simple. Just put my phone on my light, use my internet, boom, we're there. So just talk to other creators. I know you know a lot of them, and I'll talk to Rose. If she's interested, we'll just create a banner, put your picture, put each and everyone that is involved, just join your pictures, and from there we'll, we'll do our collaboration. Yes, check in this room. What happened? Here. Is a room here? Where are you going?
In your YouTube now.
Where are you going? Like, where are you looking for?
Pick my mommy from the airport.
Oh, she's back. Oh, wow, that's nice. All of you are going.
Hello.
Yeah, guys.
My name is Royalty.
This is Royalty. She can disturb.
No, I cannot.
Who say you cannot disturb? Maybe he's outside though, so people should go to the airport.
Okay, bye guys. I'm going to the airport to go and greet my mommy.
She's coming back with who? Maybe I should join. No, the car is full, so I'll not go.
No, the car is not full. It's only me, JJ, Michelle, and Uncle Benjamin. Bye, guys. Mwah. Subscribe for me only. You don't subscribe for
Do you have a
him.
YouTube channel? Stand up and go jump.
Bye.
Do you have a YouTube channel?
My dad is making me one.
When? Tell Benjamin that if they are going, I will follow you people. Oh, the ladies, the little girl, she can disturb, eh? So, brother, just WhatsApp me. Let's talk. And I know your time is about, what's the time now? So it should be around 8, 9. Should be about 9, 10. But I think we'll chat and then we'll know the time that we'll talk tomorrow better and how we can move this our YouTube industry forward. And you increase your subscribers, I increase my subscribers, and then we have a big time. One thing I noticed about this, okay, money things will not talk about, but when we have, when you keep showing yourself, people come to you more. You know. All right, guys, thank you so much for joining. Thank you, everybody. I really appreciate you. Thank you. God bless you. And am I gonna be back here to stream again? Yeah, you know, I want to take like sometimes take like 1 hour 30 minutes to stream on this. All right, I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. All right. Okay, there's no problem. Shikina. Guys, if you're watching me, let me know where you're watching me from.